video we're going to be making is stretch mark oil. This oil is very, very active. If you have stretch mark on your laps and you want to get rid of them, try out this recipe that I want to give you now. Give it a try. I'm selling it and it's working for my customers. I'm getting a lot of reviews, like good reviews. Hi guys, it's again like a Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. If today is the first time of stopping by, thank you. Please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. An easy way you can get rid of your stretch mark is by with this oil is by scrubbing. Like, get a coffee scrub. Coffee scrub really help in stretch mark. When it comes to stretch mark, coffee scrub is very, very active. And if you want me to drop a recipe, if you want me to make a video of that coffee scrub, how you can make it by yourself, get rid of stretch mark, just drop it in the comment section and I will do the video. Okay, so guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me go ahead and introduce the ingredients to you guys. So number one ingredient, we'll be needing jojoba oil. This is it. You guys know that jojoba oil is very, very good when it comes to treating stretch mark, knuckles, and dark nose. Like, it has a lot of benefits in that. So the next, we're going to be using VitGold oil. This is it. So we're going to be using a VitGold oil. It has different types and you can go with anyone you lay your hands on. And next we'll be using coconut oil, like original coconut oil. This coconut oil is very, very nice. So we'll be using coconut oil. Next we'll be using a Shanique Perfect Leg Stage 2. Like I tell you guys, I don't like using stage 1 because I think this is more effective, so I like using stage 2. So here we have our fish oil. Here we have our fish oil here. So next we have here is Salon stretch mark oil. Shalom stretch mark oil. We'll be using half of this. And next one we have here is lavender repair. This can as well be used for your dark knuckles, scars, black spots all over your body. You can use this to promote your oil for that. And here we have our rescue oil. You guys know how effective rescue oil. I've actually used this to make my a whitening oil, so that is why it's made like this. So we're going to be using everything. And here we have our vitamin E oil. We're going to be using everything. Here we have a tea tree oil, and here we have a propylene glycol to make it absorb in your body. And here we have a miracle powder. This is it, miracle powder. This, it may be little here, so I'm going to open this. And here we have a Python oil, and here we have a Brevi this thing gel. Look at it here. This is very, very active for treating stretch mark. This is how it looks like. You see it. So we're going to be using everything. So here we have our bowl. So here we have our bowl. So oh, sorry, I didn't introduce this to you guys. So here we have our crooked oil. You guys know that you can't mix a stretch mark oil or treatment oil without crooked oil. Is very, very important. You need crooked oil while mixing anything treatment, because it's very, very okay. Okay, so guys, let's dive into the video. We're going to be using this measurement. We're going to be using this measurement 80. I just finished using it to premix my half cast oil, so that's why I like this. So we're going to be using 83 ml of this of VitGold. One, two. So here we added 2. Here we'll be using our jojoba oil. This oil is very, we'll be using just 1 of this. Okay, this is it. And here we have our coconut. We have original coconut oil. We'll be adding one of 83 ml as well. Here we'll be using our Shanique Perfect leg. We'll be using 31 ml of this Shanique Perfect leg. Okay. So here we'll be adding our we'll be adding our Shalom oil. We'll be adding one as well. And here we have our fish oil. Here we have our fish oil. We'll be adding 2 of 33 ml. Okay. Our rescue oil. Like I said, we'll be adding everything. But let me put it here and see, so you understand. These are 31 ml, so I just measure it so you will see it and you understand. Okay, so the next we'll be adding our lavender repair oil. So this is it. We'll be adding just a 5 drop of this oil. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll be using this as well. Just half of this. Okay. And here we have our tea tree oil. So here we'll be adding 15 ml of tea tree oil. And here we'll be adding our vitamin E oil. So propylene glycol. So this one. So this is it. I'll be adding everything. Okay. And the last but not the least is our coconut. I'll be adding 2 15 ml of coconut. This is it. 1, 2, 3. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to stir it together. So the last one is a miracle powder. We add it in a half. Guys, you go ahead and stir this together. Mix it very well. If possible, you can use your mixer. You use your hand mixer to mix it very well before you pack. Now this stretch mark oil, I would advise you, if you are using this oil, just as in stop anything whitening, just concentrate on it, on the particular place you have the stretch mark. Just concentrate on it, apply it morning and night, and also do not forget to scrub. When you are scrubbing, like I said before, you can go and get a coffee scrub. It's very good. Like, that's the best scrub for stretch mark. And if you want me to drop a review video, if you want me to make a video of how to make that scrub, coffee scrub that you can use for your stretch mark, drop the comment in the comment section and I will do exactly that. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this video. If you find this video very interesting, please help me to subscribe. I beg in the name of God, help you get to subscribe and hit the notification bell below so you'll be the first to be notified each time we drop a video. So guys, see you in my next video. Bye.